Hello, Aquarius, and welcome to your Intention for Love chakra reading. I'm Angels in Heaven at Spiritual Guide Tarot, and I'm Lori, and I'm doing your Intention for Love chakra reading. This layout will reveal what you really bring to the mix as you set your intention for love. It offers the ability for you to change or make other necessary choices if necessary in your life. You have 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and they're based on our chakras, which are 7, from the root chakra to the crown chakra. You have isolation. Isolation is a beautiful card. This is your throat chakra, and it's blue in color, okay? You could have childlike behavior that is hidden. You won't let your inner child out to have fun. You have the ability for wealth, and you have the ability to do anything very well. You have a lot of trust and loyalty, and you have great capacity for great healing. But you need to have more fun. You need to bring yourself out. Show people who you truly are and what you're made of, what you can bring into a relationship instead of being so isolated. Open up that throat chakra and bring in greatness so everybody else can enjoy who you are, your deepest, innermost feelings, what your personality is, instead of being so isolated. Bring it forth and let people see so they can embrace it, enjoy it, and go with it. You have bittersweet. You have great inner strength. But you need help to rise up above any circumstances and do the right thing. Put aside your personal agenda and be the person that you are becoming capable, and you could become more capable than you ever imagined in your life. Again, putting aside your personal agenda and helping other people out. Reach out to other people and rise up. Arise above any circumstances that comes your way, and put yourself aside and reach a helping hand and pull other people through. Again, this has to do with your throat chakra. You are capable of being anybody that you could ever possibly be. You have that capacity. You have that inner strength to be so. You can go beyond anything you could ever imagine possible. Just reach out and give a helping hand to people that are around you, and you will see the difference that it makes. You have the root chakra, soulmate. You have treasure. You have trust. Face your true feelings. Don't live a lie any longer. Speak up and speak the truth of how you truly feel. Get your strength from your root chakra. Be grounded. You can treasure and trust other people. You just have to open yourself up. Face your true feelings. Don't pretend any longer. Don't live a lie any longer. Let your true self, your true colors come out. Speak up and tell people how you truly feel. You're not going to get hurt. There is no pain or suffering here. It's time to speak up and speak the truth. Your dreams and desires, your wants and your needs will be fulfilled in every way possible. We have the heart chakra, which is gossip. Truly open your heart with no hidden agendas. Or could be the opposite. You're denying your gifts. You have the inability to follow your heart. You can appear to others as careless and strange, yet in truth everyone wishes they had a loving and open heart like you. You have great potential. Shine. Let people see what you're capable of having. You're hiding yourself in isolation. You won't let your inner youth come out. You won't enjoy and embrace life the way that you should. With bittersweet, you have all the strength imaginable. You can rise up to any circumstances that comes your way, and you can help people and reach out to them. You have the soulmate card. Face your fears. Face your inner demons. Face the truth head on and bring your true self out. Don't hide it any longer. Tell people how you truly feel about them. Don't hide it. Don't shield it. Don't live a lie. Be honest with yourself and be honest with other people. You have gossip. Again, you have the ability to follow your heart, but to others you appear as careless and strange. Yet everybody wants to have an open heart just like you. Because you have great deep potential deep inside. You have great wisdom and love that is deep inside. Bring it out. Open up that heart chakra and explore. It will bring in new opportunities. It will bring love into your life. And it will bring great things with abundance, a pure light and love. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you would like a more in-depth reading, I do a 12 chakra layout spread. If you would like one, just send me an email and I will send you all my information. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, bring your true self out. You have great inner strength. You have great inner wisdom. Enjoy and embrace your childlike youth that is inside of you. Be honest with yourself. Be open. And know that you have great love in your heart and you have the ability to share it with everybody else, because you do. And when you do this, you will experience love like you would never imagine. Again, if you would like a more in-depth reading, I would love to do one. Just send me an email and I will send you all my information. Again, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and definitely leave a comment. I love to read your comments. Much love and light and many blessings to you, and I will see you again. Bye for now.